What is the difference between a faint positive and an evaporation line on a pregnancy test?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic that often causes confusion among women who are trying to conceive or suspect they might be pregnant. We'll be talking about the difference between a faint positive and an evaporation line on a pregnancy test. So, let's get started.
What is a faint positive?
A faint positive on a pregnancy test refers to a test result that shows a very faint line or a faint second line. This line indicates the presence of the pregnancy hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, in your urine. HCG is produced by the developing placenta after a fertilized egg implants in the uterus. The level of HCG increases rapidly in early pregnancy, and it is this hormone that pregnancy tests detect.
Understanding an evaporation line.
Now, let's move on to discussing an evaporation line. An evaporation line is a colorless line that sometimes appears on a pregnancy test after the designated reaction time has passed. This line can appear where a positive result would typically be seen, causing confusion for many women. It's important to note that an evaporation line does not indicate a positive pregnancy result.
Key differences.
3.1 Appearance. The first key difference between a faint positive and an evaporation line lies in their appearance. A faint positive is a visible line, although it may be lighter than the control line. It usually has some color, indicating the presence of HCG. On the other hand, an evaporation line is a colorless line that appears after the designated reaction time. It is often fainter and less defined than a true positive line, and it does not have the same color intensity. 3.2 Timing is another important factor to consider. A faint positive can occur within the designated time frame stated by the test instructions, which is typically around 5 to 10 minutes. If you see a faint line within this time frame, it is more likely to be a true positive. In contrast, an evaporation line typically appears after the reaction time has passed. The reaction time varies depending on the brand of the pregnancy test, but it is usually around 10 minutes. Therefore, if you notice a line after this time frame, it is more likely to be an evaporation line. 3.3 Color. The color of the line can also provide clues. A faint positive often has a noticeable color, even if it is lighter than the control line. This color is an indication of the presence of HCG and suggests a possible pregnancy. Conversely, an evaporation line is usually colorless or has a very faint, grayish appearance. It lacks the color intensity seen in a true positive line. To summarize, it's crucial to understand the difference between a faint positive and an evaporation line on a pregnancy test. A faint positive indicates the presence of HCG and suggests a possible pregnancy, while an evaporation line is a colorless line that appears after the designated reaction time, often causing confusion. Remember, if you are uncertain about the result, it's always recommended to confirm with another test or consult with a healthcare professional. We hope this video has provided you with clarity on this topic. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.